started out in Madison, Wisconsin at Madison Power Equipment. Tour's been good. You know, we had a 15-year-old that came about 2 hours away to come hang out with the Daily Hustle.
I never really wanted to get into lawn care, but now with watching Chant, he gives you tips and tricks. I want to get into it.
We have about 7.5 thousand on Instagram, and then we have about 17.5 thousand on YouTube.
When I heard he was doing this Midwest tour, I'm like, okay, I have to check to see if he's going to Wisconsin. He's going to Wisconsin, Madison. I'm like, hey mom, can you go here on Wednesday? Well, what does he do? I showed him videos of snow removal, lawn care. It's just like, okay, sure, let's go down there.
It's all new to me, and having that much people follow your story and follow what you do, it's very humbling.
We're really excited to have Chant here with his Daily Hustle. He's been kind of an inspiration to watch grow on YouTube, to see how quickly he's gained a following. I think it has a lot to do with the quality of services that he's providing, not just in customer service, but also in the overall satisfaction of the jobs that are being done.
Who would ever thought that people would want to, follow what I do? But it must be something interesting.
Steel comes in, parts that get processed across.
Now we're here at the Bobcat factory. It's just neat to see the process of what all goes into the equipment that we use and how it's built. My favorite part was that I actually got to see, we own the Bobcat mowers, and it's a whole new experience when you get to come and see the facility and see how it's made and all put together. Somebody actually put their hard work and their hands into building these equipment, and I appreciate that more because I can relate to what, the work and the hustle of building the product. It feels good to be a part of the Bobcat family. Bobcat has supported us in a lot of different ways that we couldn't imagine. In the last 3 years, not only I've grown as an individual, but the business in itself has took a life of its own, and it's grown tremendously. So I thank Bobcat just being a part of that.